Hey my friends, this is Daniel Alley, and today I want to talk with you about 5 money skills that you need right now. So make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit that notification button, and share this video because I'm about to drop the facts, so please listen up. The first money skill that you need right now is earning. Look, a lot of people downplay how much they need to earn because they focus on the job that they currently have right now. And most people can only see up to the limits of their earning or the limits of their manager because that's what's right in front of their view. And I'm going to tell you right now that there's millions and millions of ways to make money. So what you need to do is get rid of that one way of thinking so you can expand your income and have a higher way of living. A lot of people come up to me and they say, Daniel, I want to make money while I sleep. I want to make passive streams of income. But my friends, I'm going to tell you, passive streams of income will never come until you work on your aggressive streams of income. What I'm basically saying is that you need to increase your aggressive income, your ability to earn, so that you can increase your ability to save. Once you save up a certain amount of capital, then you can use it to buy assets, to generate cash flow, and to build your wealth. What I'm basically saying is this. Money is like a strong river flowing through the land. And the stronger your money is, the stronger your river is. If the river is strong enough, eventually it will branch out and become a creek. Well, that creek is your passive income. But that creek will never develop until your river is strong enough. So develop your aggressive income, and I promise you, passive income will come as a byproduct of everything you do. The second money skill that you need to become wealthy is saving. Most people can't save enough money because they're so busy paying off their bills, paying back their debts, and using their money to enjoy their lives. But my friends, what I'm telling you is this. If you work on your aggressive income, like that river, it will eventually become creeks where you can store out fresh water and save it for your people. If your river is strong enough and is flowing all day long, eventually those rivers will collect water on the side so you can keep and preserve to help you along the ride. I remember when I was starting out in business, I wanted to save a lot of money. So I created what I call the money wall technique. Basically, every time I earned $500, I would go to the bank, get a $100 bill, and tack it up on my wall. I remember when I collected thousands of dollars, I would eventually take that money and reinvest it into myself, into my business, and into my assets. That money that I saved helped me to become the person that I am today. Whether you use the money wall technique, save it in the bank, put it in stocks, or buy cryptocurrency, what really matters is that you're saving money to build your legacy. The third money skill that you need is organizing. Look, there's so many people that don't know how to organize their funds. And I truly believe that you need to know exactly how much money you have in every single account that you own. Like a person in charge of a farm, you should know the state of your flocks. You should understand how much food that you have. You should know exactly what's going on at the ranch. What I'm basically saying is that you need to take control of your resources. You should know how much insurance money is coming. You should know what kind of retirement plan you have. You should know how much money you have saved in the bank. You should know how much money you earn every day, every week, and every month. There's so many things to know about money. And when you understand exactly where your money is going, you'll understand exactly what you need to do to make sure that more money is flowing. You see, an organized mind leads to an organized life. And if you keep track of your numbers every single day, in every single way, I promise you, you can have more money than you currently have today. So how can you organize your money? How can you keep track of your bills? How can you make sure that every single dollar works for you instead of you working for every single dollar that you earn? If you organize your funds, then you organize your future. Don't ever forget that, my friends. The fourth money skill that you need is protecting. Look, when it comes to money, there's a lot of people that will try to take it from you. And you have to protect your money like a father protects their child. You need to protect your money like a farmer who plants their seeds. You need to protect your money like a gardener who pulls their weeds. What I'm basically saying is this. There's so many charges. There's so many fees. There's so many schemes. And you have to protect all of your monies. You have to be able to be in charge of every single dollar that you have. But a lot of people fail in this area. They have ongoing subscriptions. that knock off tens of dollars or hundreds of dollars every single month. They have memberships to clubs that they don't even use. They have money that they gamble and they always abuse. But I'm here to tell you that there's no excuse, because if you guard your money tightly, you will never lose. So how can you protect your money against its predators? Well, the only way you can do it is if you understand its competitors. Don't let anything or anyone get in your way. Begin to protect your money by starting today. And the fifth money skill that you need to become wealthy is investing. After you've earned aggressive income, after you've saved and protected it from all its predators, now it's time to put that money to work. You see, money is your slave. Money is obedient. Money is waiting for your commandments. So give your money its instruction. Tell it what to do. Show it where to go. And allow it to work in your favor. Remember, money is like a child waiting to be told what to do. Your money wants to grow with you. So you have to be a father to your child and a husband to your bride. You have to take control of your money and never let your money take control of you. You have control of your family. You have control of your finances. You have control of your future. But the way you invest your money will determine where you go. My friends, this is Daniel Alley. I just shared with you 5 money skills that will make you rich. If you understand this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, type yes in the comment section below, and hit that like button. My friends, only do big things and use your money before you lose your money. Your money is waiting to grow, it's waiting to expand, and it's waiting to make you rich. I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye-bye.